Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Monday morning, June 4th, with your grain market morning commentary. Right now, we got corn trading 15 to 16 better, soybeans 6 to 8 better, and the wheat looks about 10 to 12 better. In the outside markets, we're trying to embrace a little bit of risk on today. We got the dollar down, we got the treasuries down. The other markets, crude has rebounded a little bit. Metals about unchanged, and the equities also about unchanged. Later in the week, on Wednesday, we have the ECB meeting. On Thursday, we have Chairman Bernanke testifying. And on Wednesday, we have the Informa private forecaster on grains releasing some numbers. They normally like to come out about a week before the USDA. A week from tomorrow, we have a USDA monthly report. So what we've seen is less rain than expected over the weekend. We're looking for some warmer temperatures, drier temperatures into mid-June. We're going to be expecting an earlier than normal pollination in the corn crop this year. Because the crop went into the ground so early, we'll get an earlier pollination. So it's real critical that we get some follow-up rains. I talked about this last week. We got less than expected, and now we're calling for some warmer, drier temps. Therefore, we got the grain markets up. Now, these markets are a bit technically oversold as well. Without the outside market forces, I don't think the grain markets would have been at the levels that we see today. So going into the report next week, I'd expect that, crop conditions have deteriorated a little bit. This afternoon, we'll probably get a confirmation, the weekly crop condition report. And we would expect that this report next week shows us that there has been a little bit of deterioration to that crop. Now, some questions that we have to ask ourselves now, and we talked about this last week also, the price gets cheap enough, do the buyers come in? So the big question is really, did China buy corn? Did China buy corn last week? So there's a lot of speculation on that right now. We haven't gotten a confirmation yet. We're waiting to see if that happens. Is the long liquidation over? That's really a big part of what this was this week, is funds getting out of the market. When they're done, then the bottom's in. The market is oversold. I think it's gotten to a point where it's probably cheap enough. We'll see demand start to pick up. The bean supply is still tight. We do have some harvest pressure, winter wheat harvest underway right now. That's going to pressure the wheat market a bit, and it may find some support if corn can move higher. We do need some support from those outside markets. We see some hot and dry weather coming in the next couple weeks. Look for the market to recover a bit. That's all I really have time for right now, but please feel free. Shoot me an email, give me a call. My number is 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.